Hi guys, so today's question is average waiting time. So this is a medium level complexity question. So the description is saying that there is a restaurant with a single chef, and you are given an array of customers, a 2D array where customer I contains arrival time and the time I. Arrival time is the arrival time of the ith customer when the customer arrives. Suppose if this is the example, the first customer arrives at 1 minute, second minute, and fourth minute. Okay, it is stored in the non-decreasing order. It means it is stored in the increasing order. That the first customer is at the 1 minute, and the second customer will keep on increasing. Of course, the it will be in increasing order only, and all the customer. The question depicts that all the customer are arriving at different time, and the time needed to prepare the order for the eighth customer is 2, or anything in the second column. When the customer arrives, he gives chef his order and chef starts preparing his order once he's idle. The customer waits the chef preparing the order, and the chef does not prepare the food more than one customer at a time. Okay, so if the customer is preparing order for one of the customer, no matter one in that time, if other customer comes, he has to wait. Okay, if the chef finishes one customer order a time before, then if a next customer comes after 6 minutes, then that 6 minutes will be idle for him. That will not be calculated in the average time. So this what I'm saying, it depicts by the second example that I will show you. So we have to return the average waiting time of all the customers. Okay, so what I have done, suppose this is the example. So what I have done, I have taken all the things in double: the waiting time, the start time for the next customer, and all the things, because it requires the you to return the answer in double. So I created the 2D array. So this I will come in the later part. So total time is the start time of the customers, which I have taken for the customer's start time for the customer. First customer will be the fifth minute when he arrives. Okay, then the total time will be the start time plus the time taken to prepare the food. That is the customer I of one. That is the second column. So 7 minute is taken. So this 7 minute will be the starting time of the next customer, because the chef prepares order only for one customer. So this total time is the start time for the next customer, and then 7 plus 4 and will be the total time taken for the second customer. And meanwhile, we have to calculate the waiting time. The waiting time is the total time, that is 7, minus the starting time to which he start preparing the order, that is 3. So 7 minus 5, 6, 7, that is 2. Sorry, waiting time is 2, and then I have calculated the average for every customer. So what I have why I have taken this. So in the third last, if you see here, the time finishes the time to finish the customer third is 14th minute, but the next customer arrives at 20th minute. So the customer, we can't, if we don't give this condition, then we have to assume that the next customer arrives at the 14th minute, but customer is arriving at 20 minutes, so 6 times the chef is idle. So what we have to do, we have to compare the start time. If the start time what we have calculated from the previous is less than this, so we have not no, we have not to take the previous ending time of the customer, because the customer arrives at 20th minute, not at the 14th minute. So the customer I0 will be the start time. So this is the exceptional case which you have to take care. And then average is equal to the sum average divided by the customers dot length. That will be your answer. Thank you.